Hi all you 7th grade band students, it's Mr. Smith here with another lesson video. Today we are talking or learning about or reviewing, because we've looked at these before, the minor scales. Now when I say we've looked at these before, I mean that we have worked with these minor scales, a different set, all the way back in the fall of this school year. And now we're going to see them again, because minor scales are everywhere and they provide a really unique color when they're used appropriately in music. So what I have here is the concert C minor scale, and it's a scale like any other scale. It's got 8 scale degrees, and I know we talked a lot about scale degrees in here. And this is number 128 in your book for this week's lesson. There's a scale, and then there's arpeggio, root, third, fifth, and then some chords at the end. So this is the first of the 3 versions of the minor scale, and this is the natural minor. Now, I want you to go through your book, and this is going to seem really simple, but I want you to go through your book and label the scale degrees. Now watch how I do this. You might do the same. So it's just counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then back down in reverse. Start at 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now these arpeggios, we got to follow our same pattern. These arpeggios is going to be, let me change colors. Red maybe. 1, 3, 5, 3, 1. That's root, third, fifth of the chord. And then the chords here, they're actually labeled with Roman numerals. I'm not going to label over them. This is little 1, little I. This is little 4, a chord based on the 4th scale degree. And then, you know what, let me change colors again. Little 1, little 4, little 1 again. Here's little 5. And then little 1. The little, or lowercase Roman numerals, all that means is it's in minor. And let me see if I can play this scale for you. Let's see. Listen once and then you'll play with me second time through. Why don't you try that with me? Here we go. There's our tempo, quarter notes. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, go. Nice job. I'm going to play you the chords at the end on the piano so you can really hear what this sounds like with the full effect. So we have here at the end. Hopefully you can hear that. And then the full chords. Spooky sounding. Okay, let's take a look at our next minor scale. See if that will load for us. Yes, excellent. So this is, whoa, what the heck happened? Let's go back. Let me see if we can. It's not quite working on the smart board. So much for, there we go. It just pulled up the wrong instrument. So here is the next minor scale. This is the harmonic minor scale, and it's going to have a raised 7th scale degree, which is going to give it a more of a complete sound. So it takes this, what was the 7th note in the scale, and it raises it up to be what's called the leading tone. So this is the note in the scale that feels like it leads to the end of the scale. Didn't quite sing it perfectly, but you'll hear it when I play it. So this 7th scale degree is raised. So for our trumpet players, which I'm playing trumpet, we've got C sharp instead. And then here it is, you can see it over here. Now instead of a little 5, we've got a big 5-7, or a big V7, Roman numeral 5-7, and there's our C sharp. That is giving us that leading tone feel. So let's see, where did I put my book? All right, why don't you play along with me on this one? So instead of listening, we'll just play right on it. Here we go. 1, 2, 129, ready, go. Pretty good. Let's check out our last version of our scale. So we had the harmonic minor, which raises the 7th scale degree by a half step. And now we will pull up the melodic minor scale. Okay, so here's the melodic minor scale, and the melodic minor scale is got something really different. So we had the raised 7th scale degree on the way up here on the last scale, the harmonic minor. Now the melodic minor is going to also raise the 6th scale degree by a half step. Trumpet players had B flat, now we've got B natural. Flat to natural. So that's raised as well. On the way back down, though, it changes back. So that 7th scale degree and that 6th scale degree are not going to be raised for natural and sharp, and they're going to be natural and flat on the way back down. So I'm going to do those in color. So hopefully that's easy to see. Okay, and then we're the same on the way back. Now I had a C sharp here. Looks like they've taken it away in this scale. It is still in that chord. It's just not there anymore. Let's hear the difference between the two patterns of chords. Here's the natural minor chords that we had. So every chord is minor. When we get to the harmonic and melodic minor, we get that major 5-7 in the second to last chord. It sounds a little different. See if you can hear the difference. Could you hear it? It's those last two chords. So it's slightly different. Let's play this one. Be very careful. We'll go a little slower so we can catch the changed notes. Here we go. 1 and 2 and ready and go. Nice job on that. Now I believe, if I'm remembering correctly, this 130 is going to be your key concept for this week, or something that you'll have to submit. So keep an eye out for that on Canvas or on the announcements or on Smart Music, because it'll be a Smart Music submission. I hope everyone's doing well and that you were able to follow along with this video. As always, you can hit me up via email or in the Google Meet sessions if you need help with anything. See ya!